Understanding, restore from backup. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used tech-related phrase, restore from backup. Whether you're dealing with computers, smartphones, or any digital device, understanding this term can be incredibly useful. Let's get started and uncover what it means to restore from backup and how it applies in our daily digital lives. Restore from backup is a phrase composed of two key parts, restore and backup. To restore something means to bring it back to a previous state or condition. A backup, on the other hand, is a copy of your data saved in another location to prevent loss. When we combine these concepts, restore from backup refers to the process of using the copied data to return a system or device to a former state. Restoring from backup is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it's a safety net against data loss. Whether due to hardware failure, accidental deletion, or cyber attacks, losing important data can be a nightmare. Backups ensure that there's always a copy to go back to. Secondly, it's essential for data recovery in case of disasters. Whether it's personal photos, important documents, or business data, being able to restore from backup means you can recover your valuable information quickly and efficiently. The process of restoring from backup can vary depending on the device and the backup method used. Generally, it involves a few common steps. 1. Accessing the backup. This could be on an external hard drive, cloud storage, or another form of media. 2. Choosing what to restore. Sometimes, you might want to restore everything, but other times, only specific files or applications. 3. Initiating the restore process. This usually involves navigating through the device's settings or using specialized software to select the backup and start the restoration. To make restoring from backup as smooth as possible, there are some best practices to follow. Regularly backup your data. Frequent backups reduce the risk of significant data loss. Use multiple backup methods. Combining cloud and physical backups offers better protection. Test your backups. Occasionally, ensure that your backups can be restored successfully. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of restore from backup and why it's so essential in our digital world. Remember, the key to avoiding data loss is not just to back up your data but also to know how to restore it when needed. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate more English language learning adventures. Stay safe and always keep a backup.